part 1 video regarding community health nursing syllabus in 4th paper for the GNM first year students. Okay, in third unit we are going to discuss, the topic is the health assessment. Okay, in health assessment, what is meant by health? In previous videos many times we are discussed, okay, health is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being. ఓకే, అంటే హెల్త్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఫిజికల్గా, మెంటల్గా, సోషల్గా, సైకలాజికల్గా, స్పిరిచువల్గా వెల్బీయింగ్ అయి ఉండాలి. ఓకే, ఎలాంటి డిసీజెస్ లేకుండా, ఎలాంటి డిస్టర్బెన్స్ లేకుండా ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉంటే దాన్ని హెల్త్ అంటారు. ఓకేనా? ఇన్ దిస్ అసెస్మెంట్, health assessment means if the people or the patient or the person having any health related disturbances, okay, physically, mentally, socially, spiritually, any disturbance is there, okay, they are having internal or external some disturbance, some health problem is there. Okay, the health problem should be assessed by the trained person. Okay, who is the nurse or who is the trained or well knowledge person is there. The person is going to find out health problems of an individual. Okay, health assessment ante health related problems ni assess chesi find out chestaru, aa process ni health assessment antaru. Okay na? In this health assessment anedi, okay, it is one of the essential for దేనికోసం ఇది అవసరము? ప్లానింగ్, ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్, ఎవాల్యుయేషన్ ఆఫ్ హెల్త్ కేర్. ఓకే, ఒక హెల్త్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి కేర్ ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఫస్ట్ మనకి హెల్త్ అసెస్మెంట్ అనేది అవసరం. ఓకే, త్రూ ద అసెస్మెంట్ వీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ సమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, దెన్ ఓన్లీ వీ ప్రొసీడ్ ద ప్లానింగ్. ఓకే, హెల్త్ అసెస్మెంట్ చేసి హెల్త్ రిలేటెడ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన తర్వాతనే మనం కేర్ ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవడానికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, దట్స్ వై ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీ నీడ్ వన్ ఎసెన్షియల్ కాంపోనెంట్, దట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వన్, దట్ ఈస్ ద హెల్త్ అసెస్మెంట్. ఓకే, ప్లానింగ్, ఆఫ్టర్ ప్లానింగ్ వీ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ హౌ ఈస్ ద అవుట్కమ్? Okay, the health related problem, the health problem should be reduced or increased, whatever it may be, that will be evaluated. Okay, that's why the health assessment is an essential and important for planning, implementation and evaluation of health problems and community health services. Okay, in community what are the services will be available? Okay, for taking of good decision regarding health problems in the community, first of all we need one single step, that is the health assessment. Okay, next we will move on to the advantages. Okay, what are the advantages is there by after doing the health assessment? In this, the health assessment, that is the direct interaction. Okay, we now, for example, now we are there in a college. Okay, I am there in college, you are there in your homes, that is the indirect communication. Okay, through some AV aids we are communicating. Okay, face to face we are not communicating, no. Okay, we are communicated by indirect way. Okay, we are using one channel, so that way we communicate. I am sharing my feelings or my topic, you are listening. Okay, that is the indirect communication. But here in health assessment, direct interaction of nurse and patient. Okay, patient nurse direct గా ఇంటరాక్ట్ అయ్యి వీళ్ళ యొక్క ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏంటి నర్స్కి చెప్తారు, నర్స్ యొక్క అసెస్మెంట్ అంటే హెల్త్ రిలేటెడ్గా నీకు ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయా, రిగార్డింగ్ దట్ will be assessed by direct communication. Okay, next in this not only the person, different age group of people, children, infants, newborns, old age, adults, school going children, whatever it may be, how many age groups is there in the society, that much of age groups should be interacted by the nurse. Okay, next early diagnosis of health problems. By doing health assessment, we are early diagnose the problem. What is the problem? The problem should be within short period, immediately we are identified. That purpose we are using the one component, one advantage, that is the health assessment. Next, by doing this health assessment, we are identification of health problems. Okay, what are the health problems is there? The problems should be easily identified, and we should maintain the good relation with the community people. How means by interacting process. Okay, we are going to do the health survey, or you are going to do the home visiting daily. Okay, in this daily of communicating with the patients by the nurse is able to maintain what good relationship, that is the nurse patient relationship. Okay, this is the advantages is there. Next we will move on to the components. Okay, in components mainly two components is there. First one is the taking history, second one is the physical examination. Okay, in taking history, again subtypes will be there. Okay, in taking history, three types of history collection will be there. That first one is the complete history. Okay, second one is the inventory history. Okay, first one is the complete history, second one is the inventory history, third one is the problem focused history. Okay, these are the three components is there under the history taking. Okay, what is mean by this complete history? In this what we have to do means, in complete history, at the time of first meeting of an healthcare personnel and the patients. Okay, patients ki nurse ki madhya first communication, first meeting eppudaithe jarugutundo, okay, then we are complete history collected about the patient. Okay, the history related to what? Health. Okay, is there any health problem? What is the difficulty of your health? Regarding that we are conducting some history collection. Okay, in this first step for problem solving. Okay, now by conducting history, by complete collection of history, in this we are solve the health problem of an individual. Okay, next we will move on to the another step, that is the inventory history. Okay, inventory history also second step in history taking. Okay, in this what we have to do means complete history collected in this inventory history. Okay, here we are identify the especially that history collected more than one meeting. Okay, we are not conducting many sessions or many meetings. Okay, we are conducting only single meeting of an individuals of and in between the healthcare personnel and patient. Okay, we are conducting only one and only one meeting. In that meeting we are conducting the complete health history regarding patient, what is their health problem. Okay, the problem is major or minor or severe, whatever it may be, the problem should be collected. Okay, that one. Next one is the problem focused history. Okay, name itself is there now, problem. Okay, the health problem will be there on the patient. Okay, here we are focused of an health problems of an individuals. ఓకే, ప్రాబ్లం ఎక్కడుంది ఆ ప్రాబ్లం పైన మనం ఫోకస్ చేసి ప్రాబ్లం బేస్డ్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ అనేది పేషెంట్కి ప్రొవైడ్ చేసాం అనమాట. ఓకే, హియర్ ద ప్రాబ్లం ఫోకస్డ్ హిస్టరీ, హియర్ ద ప్రాబ్లం అండ్ నీడ్స్ ఆఫ్ అన్ ఇండివిజువల్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఆఫ్ అన్ ఇండివిజువల్, what are the needs of an individual. Okay, the problem is major or minor or whatever it may be, what is their needs. Next, present illness. Okay, present illness means at the time of investigations, at the time of assessment, what is their health problem. For example, we are going to conduct the health assessment of an individual. the individual is having one health problem, that is the severe abdominal pain. Okay, that is the present illness. Okay, at the time of meeting, at the time of conducting assessment, at the time of communicating, at the time of face to face communication, okay, the nurse conducting some health surveys of an individual, the individual having the problem, that one we are called as the present illness. Okay, next one is the chief complaints. Okay, at the time of conducting health assessment, okay, what of the complaints is told by the patient. ఓకే, మనం హెల్త్ అసెస్మెంట్ కండక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు పేషెంట్ ద్వారా ఎలాంటి కంప్లైంట్స్ అనేవి నర్స్కి కంప్లైంట్ చేయబడుతుంది, దట్ వన్ వీఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ద చీఫ్ కంప్లైంట్స్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ we will move on to the another step, that is the structure of history. Okay, what are the structures is there in history? Okay, here the history structure mainly, that is the personal and social history. Okay, history structure, personal and social history. In personal, what is their personal life of individual, okay, how their field. Next to social history means in society, in between society, the person is how the interaction of social groups. Okay, what is their relationship, what is their communicationship, how the individual is interacting with the neighbors or the others or the friends or family members, what is their status. Next another one, that is the family history and post medical history. Okay, in family history, in family means small family will be there, large family will be there. Okay, in small family mainly 3 or 4 or 5 members will be there. That big family or the joint family means 2 or more people, number of people will be living together, no. Okay, in that situation the patient is how their interaction, they are freely movable or they are respectable manners in between their family members. Okay, they are responsible person in between family members or the friends or the social groups. Okay, what is their health, what is their status of an individual. Okay, in past medical history, okay, here what is that past medical history. For example, the patient is having the previously, okay, in previously what is their health problem. Okay, he undergone so and so disease condition, he is cured or having some side effects. Okay, previous ga oka అంటే 1 or 2 months బిఫోర్ ఎలా ఉంది అతని యొక్క హెల్త్, గుడ్గా ఉందా బ్యాడ్గా ఉందా, ఎలాంటి డిసీజెస్కి ప్రోన్ టు గెట్ ద డిసీజెస్, విచ్ డిసీజ్. ఓకే, ద డిసీజ్ విల్ బీ క్యూర్డ్ ఆర్ నాట్, దట్ వన్ we are collected the some history of an individual. Okay, that is the structure of history.